Here's how to use the left, right, and mid functions in Google Sheets to extract text from a cell. The left function pulls characters from the left side of a cell. Type equals, left, open parentheses, select your cell, add a comma, then type the number of characters you want to extract. For example, to extract a 3-digit area code from a phone number, type 3. Close the parentheses and hit Enter. The right function works exactly the same way but pulls from the right side instead. Type equals, right, open parentheses, select your cell, add a comma, then type the number of characters. For example, type 4 to extract the last 4 digits of a phone number. The mid function pulls characters from the middle of a cell. Type equals, mid, open parentheses, select your cell, add a comma, then type the starting position, the character number where you want to begin extracting, add another comma, then type the number of characters you want. For example, starting at position 5 and extracting 3 characters pulls out the middle digits of a phone number. Drag any of these formulas down to apply them to your entire column instantly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point Google Sheets tutorials on Step by Click.